check out our shirt on Teespring.
Got Bowman 2021 baseball cards. Look for the wear, the green cards. Let's see what kind of bear treasures I'll find. Nothing there. Nothing else in there. Oh, cool. Price, Dallas Pitch, Joe Buck. Yeah, that Giants #1 pick. Big posty spot that they're playing. Oh, that's cool. Hunters. That's really cool. Gage Red. Lich. And the last one. Oh, cool. That's good. Go black. Full style. Interesting old. Okay, kind of different, but that's cool. Good to have him in my collection. Jordan Whitefield. Alright. Oh, good guys, go again. That guy's a top rookie card. Alright. Well, that's kind of cool. Talented. Blvd. And yeah. 2 more packs. Thanks. Jordan hit. Got a couple of good chromes right there. You can see more. Top Vader. And the last pack. So there. Top Vader, go. Hedges. Oh, Posey! All the same in the World Series this year. Tired. Oh, that's cool. Green. Rarely. Ay. So, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. And maybe I'll do better next time. Hopefully, doubly. Thanks for watching. Bye.